Hey, what's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video I've got yet another gadget. It's another home security camera from AOSU. Thanks to AOSU for sending out another review unit to us, and we've been amazed at the kind of products that AOSU team have been offering in the market for customers. This is another gadget, which is the SolarCam D1 SE model. This is the box right in front of me. I'm really amazed at the kind of cameras AOSU team have in the market, like the build quality, the camera quality, the LED lighting, the smart notifications, and integration with smart home devices and appliances. It's all amazing, like the AI capability, all that kind of stuff. It's also sold at a competitive price, very reasonable compared to other competitors. There's cloud subscription available, and you can also locally store in that specific device using SD cards. So there's that flexibility available as compared to some of the other mainstream home security services and product services companies. I think AOSU have really captured the market with the kind of quality that they offer within the products. Top of the line products, very competitive pricing, very efficient, very capable products as well, and very popular now in the US and the UK and other countries. AOSU as a brand have really picked up and they've done wonders. Everything is very much on the line, on the money. They're not very expensive. They got flexibility with local storage. You can use SD cards and stuff, and you can also choose to subscribe to their cloud subscription. You can subscribe to their AI detection services and stuff. They're really competitive and a comprehensive package overall. Now in this video, as usual, we're going to be opening the box. We're going to be looking into the contents, the accessories, the cables, and all that kind of stuff that's available in the box. We're going to be setting the device up. We're going to be looking into the camera footage, all the different settings and so on. And we're going to be installing the camera as well. So we're going to be looking at the installation steps. And finally, towards the end, we're going to be talking about a little bit of a comparison between this specific model versus the SolarCam D1 Max that we've reviewed recently. It's priced about 25 quid over this specific item, and pretty sure people will want to ask the question as to which one is kind of appropriate for them. There will be questions as to why you should choose this or the other. They are both solar cams. They've got solar panels separate. The camera quality, clarity seems to be on paper, seems to be the same. The 3K clarity, 5 megapixel camera and stuff, it's all pretty much the same. Why should you choose this over the other or that over this? Do stay till the end and we'll talk about every single thing in detail. And as you already know, we've got a massive discount that will be also revealed towards the end of this video from our partnership with Team AOSU. That discount is exclusively available at MyNextBest, so do stay till the end and let's crack on. Alrighty, so that's kind of the box that you get. That's the SolarCam D1 SE with this AOSU branding. Free unlimited storage, solar powered wireless security camera mentioned, works with Google Home, and that's kind of the box that you have. This will have the camera and the solar panel as well. AOSU branding on here, AOSU branding on this side and on this side as well. Lots of branding out there. Now on this side you've got the support information and some information pertaining to manufacturing, certifications and stuff. So let's quickly open the box and see what we've got inside. Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we're stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. Now in here, what you get at first is this 24/7 monitoring sticker, a user guide which would give you everything from start to finish about the camera itself, the box contents, the solar panel, the guide sticker, as well as the camera itself. It covers everything from what's included, the product overview, setting up the device, installation and usage and monitoring. As you get further in, you'd see the solar panel with a long Type-C cable and then this mounting bracket. This is specifically for the solar panel, and there's another mounting bracket as you can see on this side. As you can tell, this mounting bracket is very much similar to the SolarCam D1 Max, and this is particularly for the solar panel. This is the other mounting bracket for the camera, and it's got this sticker on the top which specifically says not to drill on the top or not to use any screws on the top. So just to make sure you don't do that. Now you got this Type-C cable as well, some screws, a guide sticker for drilling holes, and finally the camera itself. Let's get rid of these bits, and I'll also get rid of the box. Now here you get the AOSU branding, 2 antennas for Wi-Fi reception. The camera itself has this QR code and some specifications up top. We're going to be using this QR code for setup and installation. Pretty much a standard method as with other AOSU products. Now here's the solar panel, very much similar to what we had with SolarCam D1 Max. Flat panel, rough surface and Type-C port. So as you can see on this camera, you've got this Type-C port which you need to connect to the solar panel. And once that is done, and obviously with the installation done and the panel and the camera outdoors in a solar lit condition, you start to see the camera getting charged. It's obviously got a big battery inside which will be getting charged and will obviously give you backup at the time when there's no sun available. Up top, as you can see, this rubber covering houses the reset button, power button and the slot for SD card. Pressing the power button for a few seconds would turn the camera on. Now as usual with all the AOSU cameras that we've reviewed, we just go straight on to the AOSU app, get into the discovery mode, plus button at the top, and then start to discover. Because we've got our Wi-Fi credentials already saved, it will be just a matter of clicking on some buttons, some options, and just to make sure that the same Wi-Fi credentials are being used for this setup. And with that, the setup was a breeze. There's obviously this cloud storage option which you can consider if you're not looking to buy an SD card onto the box, and it's all ready to go. Look, as you can see, we've got all setup complete, and you can see me happy and smiling looking at the camera. It was nice and simple, very simple set of steps. As you can tell, didn't take much time and very convenient as well. Now this specific camera has got beefy spec, 5 megapixel clarity, panoramic pan tilt zoom, 360 view, human auto tracking, 2-way audio, IP66 waterproof. It works with Alexa, works with Google Assistant. It's solar powered. It requires about 2 hours of sunlight every day to get the battery charged. It's got smart alarms and quick notifications. It's got built-in spotlight, advanced night vision, full color. It is one of the ideal cameras for out-of-sight area protection. The settings on the app were very much similar to the D1 Max. You've got the option to turn on or turn off the camera. You can share the device. You've got AI surveillance, detection settings, which you can disable or enable. You've got notification settings. You can set those as per your liking. There's cloud recording, default view, video, audio, all that you can set as per your convenience. There's battery management, scheduled sleep and stuff that you can obviously set as per your requirements. There's LED light which you can turn on or turn off depending on where you want and how you want it. There's the Amazon Alexa integration, there's Google Home integration, and then there's some information about the device, the firmware upgrades, quick start guide. You could reconnect the Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi network, and some other settings such as events and stuff. And finally, if you wanted to remove the device, you could remove the device, which is obviously not recommended. Very simple set of steps, very simple set of installation, and there you have it. SolarCam D1 SE for you. Now we did talk about a comparison with SolarCam D1 Max earlier on, and it makes sense to think about why you'd want a SolarCam D1 SE where SolarCam D1 Max does everything that you need. So here's a simple set of differences. As we mentioned, ideal for out-of-sight area protection. Let's say your backyard, which doesn't necessarily need some additional lighting. It could mean a room, your warehouse, your storage, garage, where you might have enough lighting already. So it's kind of a comparison, and it's up to you as to what you want to do with these solar cams. Both of them have got infrared LED, microphone and speaker, microSD card slot for local storage and stuff. Both cameras offer impressive features. They are absolutely amazing, but the choice depends on your specific needs. Now the D1 Max has 400 lumens of white LED spotlight, which is much brighter and much clearer than the D1 SE. It's got its built-in spotlight. It's not to say that it doesn't have it, but the D1 Max would have much brighter spotlight and it would be ideal place for the drive. The D1 SE focuses on clarity, tracking and smart alerts, while the D1 Max emphasizes on spotlight and local storage. Consider your priorities to make the right decision. And here we are towards the end of this video. As we promised, there is an amazing surprise for you guys. We have a massive discount exclusively on our channel, MyNextBest. What's the surprise? There's a flat 15% off that will be available exclusively through the code MyNextBest.
Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole.
All you need to do is get to the website www.aosulife.com, choose the SolarCam D1 SE or SolarCam D1 Max or any other product that you'd like to buy, put them in your cart, and at the time of checkout just enter the code MyNextBest in the discount section and you get a 15% flat discount. Now the big bargain here is that the Amazon Prime Day sale is coming and we already have you covered. All the AOSU products would be discounted at a flat 30% off from 5th of July to 22nd of July. And the cherry on the top is that on top of this 30%, you get another 15% off using our exclusive code. So choose what you need to choose, put them in your cart, and you'd see another 15% off using our code. Exciting as it sounds, it's going to help you keep more in your pockets and get the best of the security cameras available in the market. We work very hard with brands and our partners to get the best discounts available for you guys. So do consider subscribing. That would mean a world to us. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye bye.